Hello, y'all. In today's video, we are actually gonna go check out the new update, which I'm already on my way because I've already checked it out. But I've only checked out the stuff that mostly everyone knows about. I have not checked out the new stuff. I haven't checked out some stuff. Oof. Dang it. Also, y'all, if you guys come over here, you'll find a key card, and you're gonna need this right now. Just for right now, you're never gonna need it again. At least I don't think. But you're gonna need to put it like that, and then you're gonna need to press off. And then look at this. You guys know how it took it from me? Now look, I could easily go through without it taking it away. So yeah. Where did I go to get this? Y'all, this scares me. Yeah. So let me go there. Open this. Ooh. We're really gonna need that. If we go back over here, y'all, there's some codes. I'm just scared being here alone. 840. Okay. I don't know if it's different for everyone. Like, because it's 8430. Right? Okay, yeah, that was right. We're gonna collect the new item. New stick. The new snail pet. I don't know route. Oh, dang it. Yo. Why does it kind of sound like he's saying Sue? Okay, I think we go through this door right here. Now we're just trapped. Come on, y'all. We gotta go. Yeah, I'm dead. Oh. Support facility. I don't know where to go. I think you go down there. Into that place over there. And you'll go find the new snail pet. Shoot! Go over here. Go up here. And if we go up here. Oh. It. Man. Yeah, I don't know where the snail is. Yeah. We just gotta move stuff.
Stop.
Go! Nope, I can't stop, buddy. Nope, not for you.
Stop.
Dang it, dude. As you guys know, I'm already sick. I don't need to scared half to death. I think if we check right here, we could jump straight at that door and go right through it. We go through the route. Maybe, just maybe we could get through it. Support facility. Yeah. We gotta leave. I'm horrified. Gotta do this with other people, man. What about my pets now? Oh, shit. Lord it. Oh. I know that I might have the DVD. And then I could put it in there. Go grab the next one, because I know what that one is. Ooh! Yo, hello? Anyone? I don't want to be all alone. Scares me. Okay. Just me alone. Wow. Forgot. Yo, can someone show me where to get the pet snail?
Yo, you have to get this snail. I think you have to get this snail. I think
I don't know where to get the snail. That's what I know.
Me neither. I don't know.
Good.
Either.
I was trying to find it by myself.
Is that enough for more gems? I'm gonna see if that's enough for more gems.
Yo.
I need more.
Who knows how to get the new snail pet?
I know.
Could you show me?
How do you? I have one, but someone randomly gave it to me. Guys, I don't own grapplers. Does someone mind giving me a grappler?
Yeah, of course.
Okay, bro. Can you give me one?
Yeah, can you give me one too? I don't own one. I mean, well, I do unlock it. I did unlock it, but I don't have enough.
Guys, if I yell loud, can you hear this?
For the other people, bear away from you.
Yeah, I don't know what this is. Yo, could y'all wait at the facility thing?
let's just get in the car and find it.
Oh yes. Thank you for turning it off,
You want
yo.
it to be
I
turned
found
on
a
again.
CD. I found a CD. Why is it?
Found it. Found it.
Y'all, I know where to go. If you go down that creepy hallway, and then you go into the corridor, that's where you'll be able to go.
How'd I get the snail?
See, over here? Let me come over here. But could I please get the snail? Because I've been looking for one ever since. Hello?
Wow, okay, fine, whatever, I guess. Just show me how to get it.
4A7.
Okay. So if you want to come in, you're gonna need to get over here, and then you're gonna need to run.
Hey, what's the door code to A7?
Okay, and then after,
6, 7.
I think you come down here,
Yeah?
and I think you go. I already tried over here. So who has a weapon? Ooh, E3.
Okay.
Yeah, that's it. Does somebody know the codes? For that one?
Yo.
Okay.
Okay.
I think I found something.
Yeah, I think it's over here. I think the snail's
Where?
up here.
Oh, there, okay. This map, man, is huge.
I know. Like,
Okay, so now what?
it's hard to even get anywhere. This is another new spot for me in one video. It's only been like 5 minutes. Wait, I think I know where our DVD could be. Oh, dang it.
You get the chubby snail.
Stop. Stop.
Honey, I'm coming. God damn it.
Yeah.
How do you get the chubby snail? Bro, so where's the snail now?
Wait, I think I remember. I think my memory just kicked in right now.
Stop. Stop.
In here?
You're gonna want to come over here. And
Yeah?
you're gonna want to be right here.
Yeah?
Bro, where are you? Where are you?
Over here. Yo, I'm over here.
I gotta pass the eyes without being hurt even a little.
I'm holding up the grappler.
Stop.
Guys, where are you?
Do you all not see me?
Stop.
Right here.
You are running to hurt yourself. Stop.
Y'all, try and get the Robo Dogs to hit each other
Stop.
with the rocket launchers.
Stop. 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 Stop.
Don't worry, guys, I have a shot. Guys, hey guys, I got past the eyeballs without a single little injury.
Stop. Stop. Stop.
Bro, where is the snake? Coming to. I got to go.
I actually don't have any. It's weird.
Shit, what?
Yes.
Y'all, it has to be over here. It has to be somewhere inside.
What's over here?
Are we trying to kill you, stupid alligator?
I think it might be somewhere over here.
Snail. I want the snail.
How to get the snail?
How to get the snail? How to get the snail? Why? Snail?
You guys, I might go back and take a picture of the screen.
I'm a chicken.
Clearly eyeballs.
Bro, where is the snail?
Boy, radiation.
I dare you to jump in the spawn if someone's already gotten it.
Oh,
I'm blowing. By the way, you can die by radiation. By the way, you can die by radiation.
Can you give me the alligator back, please?
Ah.
Guys, look at those little fatties. Fatties.
Bye.
J2.
Now stop looking at me, sir. Thank you.
Yo, I think I know what to do. Let's all go back. Let's all go back over there. Let's all go back to the start. Everyone go back to the board and let's all take a picture of it. So that way any door that we come across, we could look at our picture and then we could put in the code.
The entire snail and it's filtered and it's already filtered. Oh, where is the snail? It's the snail! Which door?
Oh dang! I just duped him so bad, dude! I just broke the RPG angle.
Which
Okay,
door?
there's
Oh,
another
this door. Took some time.
Yo, I know where to
You
go.
have to find a code.
I know where to go.
Where's the code?
I know where all the codes are.
Okay.
No. No, come on, bro. Come on. Why? Why? Oh, come. Bro. Yo, we're gonna have to take a picture of that for sure. Might take me an hour. Wait for you guys.
I thought you were trying to kill me!
Minutes. Oh, dang it. No, I don't know how to make cuts, so I'm gonna do the video without it. I'm walking up a wall. I'm walking up a zip line. I'm walking up a wall. I'm walking up a zip line.
What is it about the blood on? What is this city blood doing? City blood doing in the calculated Einstein!
Yo, good boy. I did it. I did a good boy. That's a good boy.
Yeah, we're gonna have to come up.
What is this city blood doing on the calculator?
What is this city blood doing on the
Calculator.
Yo, Diddy blood, Tom!
Oh my god, stop! Yo, it's open, Diddy Blood! Bro, this guy, Diddy Blood is open! Let's go, guys! Yes!
stuck inside the roof. Shoot. I kind of lost track of that door. I don't know.
Door locked.
Come on, come on. Okay. Wahoo! Oh shoot! Wait, no! Come on, go, 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 go!
No pointer. Daily.
What is the chances that this is gonna... Go out, we're gonna go. I wanna get the name tag.
This is on my screen.
Yeah.
I can't feel it.
No, no, come on!
I'm gonna die. I'm
I'm
gonna
gonna shut the
die.
door on these guys.
I'm gonna die if I step on any more radiation.
Too late. Oh, none of that is not my problem. You better spread.
Dude. No, you're supposed to die.
You got a friend in me.
You got.
We're not horses. We are humans, and humans aren't. Yo, is this green? Yo, bro. Yo, you have to stop every item. If your screen is yellow, you're gonna die. You're gonna explode if your screen is yellow. But the only way to stop it is to take off every item.
Bro,
So do you know the areas you're meant to be putting them into?
I wanna go find Chubby or
This
Snail.
guy's trying to kill me for no reason. Huh? What
wanna
did you
go
say,
find-
dinosaur?
I want to go find Chubby or Snail.
Oh, I know where Chubby or Snail is.
Could you show me?
Guys, don't jump in
That
the
was-
water.
I'm looking for him.
It's easy to get in this area, luckily. Come.
Hey, what you?
Guys, what are these?
Oh.
What are these?
He's trying to kill me because I did something.
Come
Where's
on,
Chubby or
where's
Snail?
that dinosaur? You got to kill
Where's
him.
Chubby or
Guys, we have to
Snail?
go over here.
come.
Guys, we have to go over here. We have to go over here. I'm dying. I'm dying. I'm dying. Help!
Not my problem.
Yo,
Guys, where's the clean shut up.
wait, this way is where Chubby or Snail is?
Why do we have to
Oh, I wondered where you was. I thought you went over there. Okay.
Hi.
Bro, I won't kill you.
found
Why
my
did
way.
somebody
I found
Why
it.
did you
Ways
just
around
go?
that. Like, I know where to, like, enter into to go to the...
This is where
Whoa. The spot's glitched for me.
Yeah, I know.
Oh,
Just got
okay.
glitches. So come.
Yo, there's some...
Quickly. Yeah, I juked them.
Oh, dang it.
So come.
I didn't get hit by a
You're
single one of them.
lucky. You're lucky because this one's really easy for this area, unlike the other ones where I don't even know where they are most of the time. Hopefully, it's finally started spawning again, or
Wait. He spawns around?
yeah, it spawns. It spawns in the
Oh.
same area. Is it this area? Oh, I think it was here. Oh.
Maybe did someone just get him? I just sworn that someone said that he was like in these places.
Well, it's different for all servers. All servers have a different spawn for Chubby Snail. But I think people must have got him too many times, so he's not here.
Do you want to
he's
join a
sorted.
private server alone and go look for him?
Yeah, okay.
Do you already have him?
We can just
Yeah, I already
sacrifice
have
this
Chubby
world.
Oh wait, he's on your head.
Yeah, I know.
What if
But
you
if I
die?
gave you it, it wouldn't give you the
Nobody
hat. Do you just want the Chubby Snail or do you want the hat?
I want the Chubby or Snail.
Somebody...
Do you care about the hat though?
Let me get to the teleporter.
I don't really care about it too much. But
Because
I
I
really...
could give you a Chubby Snail. I could just give you a Chubby Snail.
Oh.
But if you want the hat, then that's a different story.
Oh. How many Chubby or Snails do you have?
I have 4 or 3. I think 4.
Ooh.
Come to stake 5 for the wall.
If you only have one, then it's fine. I'll just try and go look for him by myself.
Nobody came.
Okay, come.
Just go to spawn and I'll give you one.
I just know my pro- Ow! I just broke my face. Yeah, I just broke my face. Yeah.
Yep, it's not on.
Oh, okay.
It's not my problem. Problem not my problem.
Problem not my. Also, if you ever need me to like give you an item, if you ever need me to give you an item that you're able to buy, then I could just get it for you. I feel like VR games have a lot more money
Oh, dang.
than like mobile games. Okay. Here, join me inside a private code, Blue.
Wait.
Okay, ready, Blue?
No, just stay there.
Crack a song, roll.
Yay!
Don't ask why he's tiny. It's just because the stats glitch keeps shrinking him.
Keep shrinking him?
Yeah, the stats
I don't
glitch
need this
keeps
anymore.
shrinking him. It's a beautiful. I'm gonna be.
Is there a chance that I can shrink him so much that you barely even
He
can
goes
see
to
him?
the. All of them go to the tiny size. You know what? I should shrink this one because someone gave me it.
giveaway and I'm tired of it.
Exactly.
You won't die.
Actually.
Chubby, you're snail. Snail, chubby, you're snail. That's just chubby.
Why did D-Blood try to kill me?
Dude,
That's just not my problem.
Bro, guys!
Problem.
Tiny. Bro, look at this ammo.
Those
Bro,
eyes
dinosaur,
like
look at the ammo.
dang.
Why is it spinning? Why is the ammo spinning?
Dude.
Why is it spinning? What the flip?
Yo.
Bro, why is it spinning? Oh, it stopped spinning. Wait, let me see if I can...
Okay, at least this is as tiny as Chubby Snail can get. Thanks, bro.
Who likes
Don't
Chubby
worry, I
Snail
thought that didn't
videos?
But definitely it's friendly.
Thank you so much. Well, yeah, y'all.
Whoa!
That was
Fight me.
the thing.
I
I'm trying to
got
find
Chubby
Chubby Snail.
Snail hat.
And shout out to this guy.
You get me in the water, so why can't you get in the water?
What's your name?
Why are you in the farming Gabriella? Gabriella.
This guy, right here.
Hey, somebody watch me one
Couldn't see his name. This guy is now gonna be my friend, and he can always hit me up for YouTube videos.
Thank you, guys.
Yeah, y'all.
I'm
spying
on
on
you
you
every move. I'm spying every move you do. Spying on you
Yeah,
every move
shout
you
out this
do.
guy.
Bro, what the hell?
Ocho.
What the heck are you even
Ocho.
doing?
Ocho.
I'm spying on
Ocho.
you.
Ocho.
I'm spying on you. I'm begging you.
Well, that was our whole time.
But
I don't know how long that took.
Oh my goodness.
It took so long
Am
that I don't
I-
know how
Are
long.
you recording?
hands up,
Wait, are you
Gabriella.
Yeah.
Gabriella.
I don't know,
Hands up,
sis.
Gabriella.
Did I interrupt your
Dude, that took
video?
so long.
Did I interrupt your video?
No, it's fine.
What?
I wonder if I could actually grab onto the saddle if you
Yeah, you
transform
can,
me.
you can. Can actually.
Oh my gosh.
Give me one. Give me one.
On my side.
Bro, what the heck are you doing?
Oh, you like to ride?
Do you think that I could survive? We.
Scamdy, get scamdy, buddy. Nah, I was joking. Don't worry.
I'm a bird! You want the balloon?
Yo, Blue.
Ignore that one.
Do you just have to like buy the hat, the Chubby Snail hat?
There you go. I'm honestly kind of not sure. I think it might be a little glitch.
Can you give me another
Because
one?
I think you might not have to.
This is a robbery. Put your hands up. This is a robbery.
I'm not
Give me
sure, I'm not
everything
sure.
you have. This is a
I think
robbery.
you have to not.
Wait, what's your channel user actually?
I don't think
Magical
you
Cyber.
can't buy. You can't buy that.
Do you have to find the hat?
I'm not sure because
How did
what
you
happened
get the
to
hat?
me is I just got the Chubby Snail. I picked him up and then gave me the hat.
Oh.
Yeah, run away.
The only thing I might think is
Go
he
like
might
a
have
lot.
lost.
Go
Wait,
like a good boy.
Oh, wow.
Put your hands up. This
Could
is
you
a
give me
robbery.
another one so that way I can see? I want to see if it'll work.
What is that?
Chubby Snail!
I don't think if I give you one, it still won't give you the hat.
Guys, this is a robbery.
On a test. On a
Who?
test.
Guys, I know you gave away one Chubby Snail.
So good.
One.
Me.
So how is that shrunken? How is that shrunken?
Yeah, it's the stash glitch.
I didn't think in it.
If you put
Yo, do you want it back, Blue?
How do you do
it
that?
shrinks.
How
Do you want it?
stash glitch?
Do you want it back?
And then you just take it out. Then just move out.
Yeah, I do,
I want it.
I can give you it back. Do you want it back? Do you want it back?
Okay. But
If
can
you
I
want.
have it?
Can I have it?
How do you get
Oh.
the
Guys, you could
This guy gave it to
the
me.
stash glitch.
Can anyone help me get this stereo?
How'd you guys move on? How do you use the
So this is
microphone?
stats kit.
How do you use the microphone?
Can I do it? I need it for a minute.
Guys,
I'm gonna
look at
show
my
you
little
a
chubby.
clip.
No,
I'm gonna show you a
How do you use the microwave?
Stop. Look at
You're
this.
lying.
What?
How do you use the
I'm tiny.
microwave?
I'm joking.
I
I'm
don't
joking.
know.
I'll do it. I'll do it.
I didn't
I'll
know
do
your
it.
microwave. Stash split.
Yeah.
What's that split? What's that split? What's that split?
You put it in your stash.
If you put that,
Take it out of your hand. Put it in your stash. Put it back in your string. You can do it twice.
We're stealing. Hate speech.
And I got mini chubby snail.
Guys, how
No,
do you
no.
Everybody, this guy stole the chubby snail from somebody. What are you doing?
That gives you that gives you the poisoning that you'll die and you'll get damaged and die slowly.
Guys, there's a chubbiest now here.
Guys,
This is very nice. That doesn't mean no bit.
Because I started collecting them every time there's a new one.
guys, you can shrink labubu. Yeah, you can shrink. You're like one of the most glitched items in the game. I shrinked too much and I lost it. Oh no, I just didn't grab it.
Tiny, but it's this.
Yo, I need something that will let me have water.
Guys, if you want mini robots, now is the time to get them. Guys, if you want mini robots, now is the time to get them.
Yo, I think the effect is going opposite.
Why are you tiny, dude?
I need the big ones.
The tiny lowdown for a tiny man.
I need this.
Can you do it with any item? Can you do it with any item? Yes. Even you. Like, can you do it with yourself?
No.
Well, we'll take this. It's fine.
Find the chubbier snail.
Where is it?
Come on, bro.
You won't die.
Come on. Come on, heal me up. Oh. Okay.
You okay?
Let me just go die by a monster. Hi! Ha! Thank you! Thank you for oofing me. I don't know. Oh yeah, no, that was checking out the new update. It's still more than I need to show you guys, so I'll see you all next video.
Yo, you
want to go to the